question 9, you need to add 8 square root of 18 plus 3 square root of 50. Okay, looking at this, I see two different radicals, square root of 18 and square root of 50. I know that I can't add this. I can only add if I have like terms. However, if I simplify them, maybe I'll see that I have the same radical once they're in simplest form. So I'm going to simplify. Now, if you still want to see a more detailed video about simplifying and perfect squares, then go back and watch my previous videos. I'm going to do this with the assumption that you know about perfect squares and you know how we simplify and you just need a quick review. So looking at square root of 18, I'm thinking of two factors of 18 and I want one of them to be a perfect square. So I'm going to use square root of 9 times square root of 2. And I'm going to just bring down this 8 in the front so that I don't forget about it. So I have 8, and then I'm multiplying it by square root of 9. The square root of 9 is 3, because 3 times 3 equals 9. And square root of 2 is in simplest form. So 8 times 3 is 24. I have 24 square root of 2. I'm going to bring that plus sign down right away so that I don't forget at the end that I am adding these two. And now I'm going to look at the second term, 3 square root of 50, and go ahead and simplify that. So again, I'll bring down that 3, and I'll look for factors of 50 that have a perfect square. That would be 25 and 2. So I have 3 times the square root of 25, which is 5, because 5 times 5 is 25, times square root of 2, because square root of 2 is in simplest form. I don't have to simplify that. I multiply the numbers that are outside the radical. So that would be 3 times 5, and I get 15, and I keep that root. And now looking at this new question, I see that I have like terms. Root 2, root 2. I can add the outside numbers, keep the radical. So I will add 24 plus 15. 24 plus 15 is 39, and just keep that root, square root of 2, and that's my final answer, and it's in simplest form because we simplified before we added.